Hi everyone and welcome to my brand new series Everyday English. Today we'll learn everyday English while making my favorite breakfast. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need toast bread, ham, butter, milk, eggs, cheese slices, salt and pepper. But before we start cooking, let's get everything ready. We'll need a cutting board, a knife, spatula, whisk, tongs, and of course frying pan. And first, let's slice some ham. Unwrap the cheese slices. Then crack 3 eggs into a small bowl. Add some salt, pepper, and milk. Now whisk until smooth. Now let's heat up the pan. Add some butter. Toast the bread on both sides until golden brown. Next, quickly fry the ham, just 30 seconds on each side. Time to start assembling the sandwich. Now let's cook the scrambled eggs we prepared earlier. Pour the mixture into the pan. Let it set a little, then gently stir until soft and fluffy. Don't overcook the eggs. Keep them creamy, not dry. The eggs are ready. Let's add them on top of our sandwich like a soft, fluffy crown. If you like, add some sauce. I mixed mayonnaise with sriracha. It's creamy with just a touch of heat. For a quick and healthy side, I like cucumber or carrot sticks with a pinch of salt on it. And that's it. A delicious ham, eggs, and cheese toast. Simple, quick, and full of English words that you can use every day. So good. Crispy bread, creamy eggs, melted cheese. You have to try this. Thanks for watching Everyday English. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!